is an unboxing video of Apple Watch Series 6 product, red 44 with red sport band. Okay, how do you open this? I've seen so many videos of these. I forgot how to open it. Okay, simple. So you push this tab down, I believe, like this, and there you have the watch itself and the band. Let's start with the band. Cool. A nice tab over here to open. So we should open this like this, and I believe we have our band. Which side is it? I don't know. Everything is on the other side, so I have to adjust. Okay, nice. Look at them. Two straps. One is medium to large, and the other one is small to medium. We can put them on later on. Moving to the watch. It's a simpler design, so just pull it up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nice. Designed by Apple in California. So as everyone is saying, there's no brick in this because Apple thinks that everyone has a brick anyway, so I send them. But this is my first watch, so I don't have anything. I'll have to get third-party bricks. It's the charger. I believe this used to be something else, but it's plastic now. Seems okay. The watch itself, wow! Look at this cover. The cover itself is so amazing. It looks like a sort of yeah. How do you open this now? Push it down. Come on. How do you do this? Do I break it? Okay, it slides. There's our first look at the Apple Watch. Apple Watch. Cool. It's already loading up because I was pressing the button. So, the color is amazing, man. It's so pretty. Okay, we get to connect the bands now. Let's go at the band. Which band should I go with? I believe it's supposed to be simple, so my first time, so don't judge. Like this, okay. Is it like this? Clicks. This one clicks. So this one did not click. Okay, it's also on the opposite side. Hold on, I'm getting it there. Ah, it clicks. It makes a click sound. Wow. Hold on. Is it the correct side? No. This way. Nice, man. Looks amazing. Hold on. Yeah, I think I've put it on the wrong side. How do you take it out now? So this one goes here, and this one goes there. Much better, I believe. love it. I love the feel of it. Nice. Finish. Halas, habibi. We are done. We are going with this.